Here I've got Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, go to settings then, and select accounts. And as you can see, currently I am logged in with mine. If you would like to remove this account, mark it, and then select remove account. Confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its data by tapping on remove account. Tap on OK to confirm, and now you can confirm it either via the pattern or fingerprint. So let me touch the sensor, and that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. And then whenever you would like to add another Google account, or if you are adding it for the first time, it's working the same way. You just need to select accounts, pick add account, go to Google, and now provide your email address or phone number. In my case, it is email address, and then click on next. And now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And here it is. As only the password is entered, tap on next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on accept then. And that's it. As you can see, this account has been added. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.